Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please subscribe, like, and comment. It definitely helps the channel out. And just before I start the video, I do want to say that yesterday's live was great, man. I went live for like 5-6 hours, I think. Super fantastic. Today, I'm only gonna be able to go live, I think, for maybe the first 2 to 3 hours. I actually have something that I have to do with my wife. We have to go to the doctor to get some x-rays and stuff. And then after that, we have like a small day planned with things. So I think up today, I think I'll be going live from 6:30 to possibly like 9 in the morning or like 8:30. So maybe only 2-3 hours today. But hopefully I'm back for power hour, and then I can go back live from 12 to 1. But we'll see. For right now, I did want to go into the SPX and the Nasdaq because I did close all of my shorts after this. After we came back down overnight, I closed all of my shorts, and I'm currently in martingale longs. And what I'm looking for right now is, we are going to be more than likely. We didn't close the daily yesterday bullish, but we more than likely we're going to be closing it today. So I am pretty bullish to the upside. Like I've been telling you guys, overall I'm bearish, right? I'm 100% bearish because the week closed bearish here, right? The week closed bearish. We closed it here. That's not, I'm not trying to say that I'm 100% bullish or anything like that. I really am not bullish at all. But short term, like I said before, I still think that we can possibly go back to like a 405, 407, right? And closing the daily today would 100% give me that vindication to really think we're going to go back to 405, 407. So here's what I think is going to happen, right? Going to be more of a longer term, maybe like a week or so prediction. I do think we're going to go somewhere back to like here. I think we're going to come back from down here, run this up, close a daily bear trigger, and then this is going to be probably the highest that we actually go, and then dump all the way down to something like this. I'm thinking Tuesday, Wednesday, we run up super hard maybe, and then by Friday we might end up at 388, because I do think that by Friday we might actually see a 388, unless we actually run up super hard, like today and tomorrow, right, or Thursday. But again, I'm still very, very, very bearish long term. I think for the next month or two, I'm extremely bearish. For now, I would not be surprised to see us back, like I said, at 405, 407 sometime this week or so. And if we are at these prices by like Thursday, Friday, then I do not think 388 is gonna hit, because I do not think we would drop, almost like $20 in the span of a day. Yeah. So I mean, if we do hit this by like tomorrow, right? By today, tomorrow, then great. I think we'll be fine to possibly drop back down like to 388 in short, right? But as of right now, I do think we're gonna go back to like 405, 407 ish. And then from there, that's when I'm actually gonna be like, shorting the crap of this, because we are gonna be closing that daily bull trigger. I'm not gonna ignore it. I don't like ignoring it. Generally, what happens is, on average, whatever price you close at, add $4 more, and then that's gonna be the price of close for tomorrow. So if today we close at like at 401, right? Tomorrow, more than likely, we'll be closing at a 405, which means that might be the top, right? So we might see the top, I think Wednesday afternoon or something, right? We'll see what happens. But again, right now, for the most part, I think we're going to be going up. I think this daily bullish trigger is going to close. And whatever the close is for today, just add $4 more, and that's going to be my price target for tomorrow. That's just going back for the general average and stuff. I don't think I really got anybody asking for any kind of TA, so I'll keep this video short. I don't to not keep it like that long. The DXY also broke trend to the downside. You did break a nice little trend to the downside. This should probably be more like here, right? This is actually would be like real trend, because I like using that second wick for an actual trend. So this is a very, very, very low, very, very low wick. But I mean, I guess we could also do this, right? We can also go like that. So that would also work very well. So we actually did break that trend, came back up here. You haven't retested, so I don't know if we're actually going to retest, because here's the thing, right? If you actually use, I don't want to use that wick, because that wick's way too like to the left. That's probably going to be the best place for a trend. Yeah, that's fine. So you did break trend to the downside. You're probably headed back here to like a 103.9, probably like, so roughly around to this range, right? Roughly to like this area here. You're probably going back down here And then from here, you're probably bouncing back up. So again, this is probably going to be your danger zone, right? Let me see. Danger zone is down here. I don't know what. So my target's already hit, so I don't need to put this. So danger zone on the DXY is going to be down here. If you actually come back down here, this is going to be a super big zone where, you know, the dollar can possibly get, like, you know, come back under trend and completely die, right? Which I don't think is going to happen, I'll be honest. I really don't think that's going to happen. The dollar is currently on a bear trigger on the daily, so that's really good. And then it's getting very, very close to closing a bear trigger on the weekly. So this might actually be, you know, sort of the top on the dollar before we come back down. We might actually see this come all the way back down, retest this trend here, right? Retest this, like, right there we go. So retest that trend here, come back down here, retest, and then pop up to the upside over here. So again, dollar is looking a little bit on the weaker side, but again, you know, SPX, as long as it has that weekly trigger, right? I'm essentially, right now, I'm in martingale long, so I am longing all of this right now. I do think we can go up a little bit higher after today. And that's essentially what I'm looking for. I'm looking for just us to pop up a little bit higher to 405, 407, and then from there, come all the way back down. So we'll see what's going on. But yeah, for the most part, I don't think really have, you know, I'm overall bearish, really, really bearish on everything. I'm super bearish on crypto, super bearish on the stock market, 100% bearish on everything. You might see some more sideways trading, maybe a little bit more up movement, but I think over the next week or 2-3 weeks, you're really going to start to see some pretty major pain in the market, especially SPY, right? SPY, I think this whole move is gonna get pushed up. Immediately, I think it's gonna get sold off, right? I'll be completely honest. Like, I think that's what's gonna happen. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.